guys, welcome back to my channel. Today good to have you back, and if you are new here, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Today we are going to use one box of chicken for 3 different meals. All of the recipes are about 1500 calories, and the ingredients listed in the description box below, so you should go and check that out. And now let's get cooking. Our first chicken keto meal gonna be shashlik, super simple to make. You need sticks like this or wooden sticks. I will link them below in the description box. And then you need 130 grams of mushrooms, 300 grams of chicken, 3 slices of bacon, 50 grams of melted butter, a full zucchini or bell peppers would do just fine, 2 heads of onion, some salt, and I'm going to use this spice mix without sugar, or you can also use an all-purpose spice mix just like this one. And this is what we're gonna do. So first of all, just cut your onions in big chunks. Sarah, you need to cut this. I can't peel the onions for some reason. But yeah. When you're done with your onions, you set them aside, and then you will cut your zucchini into big chunks. Some you can even leave a full round. Good, then set them aside. And then mushrooms, if you want, you can cut them half, just like this one, or keep them full. Very good. And now you will cut your chicken breast into bigger pieces. Just like this one. Now we are going to clean up a little. And now you just pour everything into a bigger bowl. Hit them with the melted butter. Add a little salt. And use either a spice mix without sugar or an all-purpose spice mix. You can be very generous with spicing. And then you can just use your hands and make sure that you mix everything well together. You can leave your ingredients sitting in the spice mix a little bit if you have time. If you don't, then just let's get on with it and put them on the sticks. And then you just take your stick and as you like, stick them onto it. You can take one veggie and then meat, some onions, just be careful. Don't stick it into your hands. Mushrooms, more veggies, and of course more meat. Here you go. And then you can use a slice of bacon and wrap it around. But if bacon is not something you like, then just skip that step. Very good. And now step this aside. Now we do 2 more. And as you see on the end, I ended up with 4 of the shashliks. And now you will preheat your oven and put it in the oven. Now you just need a smaller tray, just like this one. And then you just put your shashliks like this. So they are hanging next to each other. Just like this. And put it in the oven on 180 degrees. If you want to add an extra flavor to your shashlik, then melt about 40 grams of butter and press in 3 garlic cloves. Now you will just press the garlic into the butter, and then you have with the knife, and then you mix. This looks pretty damn good. It was in the oven for 15 minutes. Don't touch the metal with your hands. Use something like this. And after 15 minutes, you can use your marinade and just put it on a little bit all over on your shashliks for a little extra garlicky flavor. Alright, and at this point you can just put it back and it's fully ready. The next meal we're gonna do is chicken nuggets. Super simple and very quick to make. You need 1 egg, 300 grams of chicken breast, pepper, all-purpose spices, salt, Parmesan cheese about 20 grams, and 1 cup of almond flour, and a plastic box just like this one to make our job easier. The very first step, you whisk the egg together. Very good. And then you cut up your chicken breast into nugget sizes. Try to go for these shapes. Now you drop them into the egg. Alright, now put this aside. Take your plastic box, pour in the 1 cup of almond flour, shake it, add some salt, add some pepper, add some all-purpose spices, and add 20 grams of Parmesan cheese. Close the lid and shake it. Open the lid and put in your chickens in here. Put this aside for our third meal. Close the lid, hold it, and shake it. Open the lid, and voila! Crispy, ready to fry chicken nuggets. And now you take your Tefal Jamie Oliver frying pan. If you don't have one, you should seriously get one. It's the best frying pan I had so far. And then you take 150 grams of butter and you start to melt it on low heat. At this point, you can just add your chicken nuggets into the hot butter and fry them. And look, no waste. You can put the heat a little bit up. I put it to high medium at this point, and we are just gonna fry them for a few minutes. When your chicken nuggets are done, you can put them on a sheet of paper to get away from the excess fat if you want that. It depends on your taste. And then you can just use a fry spice or anything like this and just sprinkle a little bit over on your chickens to give an extra flavor. And then you can just top it off with some sugar-free ketchup and you are good to go. Our third meal is a chicken creamy stew. This is one of my favorite chicken soup with the spice of tarragon, and it's really delicious. This is what we're gonna make. We are going to use up the leftover egg. We are going to use 100 gram of mushroom, 300 gram of chicken, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, about 40 gram of bacon, and 1 cup of cream. And now we're just gonna chop up the onion, the mushroom, and the chicken, and the bacon. As you can see, I cut the chicken into small pieces, just like this one. This is what you're going for. Now you can slice up your mushrooms. You don't have to be super precise, just roughly slice them up. Good, and now this is going into the frying pan. Alright, so you put in your bacon, your onion, and a little bit of butter and start to cook them together and wait until they're cooked before you add your mushrooms. At this point you can add your mushrooms and just cook them together. Now you add your chicken. And just slightly cook them over. When you reach this slightly cooked state, add your cream. Alright, and add your spices. 2 garlic cloves, hint of pepper, a hint of garlic salt. You can add your tarragon as well. And just let it boil together until the chicken are fully cooked together, soft and tender. When your stew boiling like this, it's probably done, but you can check the chicken, and it's time to add the egg to make it thicker. Take down the heat to low and slowly add the leftover egg and just mix it together. Let it cook for a little bit more and you are good to go. You can top it off with a tablespoon of sour cream. Add a little bit of tarragon on top, and here you go. I hope you like this video, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And please comment below which idea did you like the most. How do you do your chicken? Give me some new ideas, and see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.